In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send message to sellers in Facebook Marketplace. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open Marketplace, find a listing, and send a clear, professional message that gets a fast reply. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in and on the home screen. From there, look to the upper right corner and tap the three horizontal lines to open the main menu. This menu gives you quick access to all Facebook features, and Marketplace is one of them. Next, tap Marketplace. You'll see a feed of items for sale near your location. You can scroll through the suggestions or use the search bar to look for a specific item. Take a moment to glance at the item's photos, price, and location as you browse. So you open listings that match what you need. When you find something interesting, tap the item to open its full details. This page shows the description, photos, seller information, and any relevant notes about condition or availability. It's worth reading everything carefully so your message can be specific and helpful. If the listing offers options, choose the exact item details before you message. Some posts bundle multiple variants together, and the interface may show a prompt to choose what to sell. Select the size, color, model, or other variant that fits what you're looking for. This helps the seller understand exactly which item your message refers to. Now, look for the message box on the listing page. Tap in the text field and type your message. Keep it clear and polite. For example, you might ask if the item is still available, confirm the price, and mention your preferred pickup area or shipping needs. You can also ask about condition, included accessories, or measurements. Anything that helps you decide quickly without a lot of back and forth. When your message is ready, tap Send to deliver it to the seller. You should see a confirmation that your message was sent. The conversation will appear in your Facebook messages, and you'll get a notification when the seller replies. A few quick tips to improve your results: be specific in your first message, include your general availability, and avoid sharing sensitive personal information. Keep negotiations friendly and straightforward. If you plan to meet, suggest a public, well-lit location and bring only what you need. For shipping or payments, use trusted methods and keep communication inside Facebook for better protection. That's it. Open Facebook, go to the menu, enter Marketplace, open the listing, choose the relevant item details, type your message, and tap Send. Now you're ready to reach out to any seller with confidence and get the information you need fast.